So I just purchased these splash guards for C7 Corvette. Try to keep the dirt from being on the side of my car from behind the tires. I got these off of Amazon for the front and the rear. And they came wrapped inside these plastic. So it's got information about where they're located. It's got RH on this one. LH on that one. LH on this one. LH on both of them. The one doesn't have a piece to hold inside, so definitely from the left side. That one's got RH. They give you these clips. Some of this to attach to here. And they provide instructions. Just on both sides. It says for the front side on this side. For the rear side on the opposite side. It says it takes about 30 minutes and you're gonna need a 7mm socket to take the bolt out from the underneath. I'm assuming this notch is for the front. Cause like on this LH, it's two LHs, but this is the only one that has the notch. So it must be for the front. So it has a tab on the front here. I don't see a tab for the rear on this picture. So I'm assuming that the fronts have the tabs. So these must go on the front. And these must be for the rear. I'm assuming so far. Right hand, left hand. So yeah, I'm assuming the notches are for the front. Okay. So let me work on getting the existing ones off my car and attach these on with the clips. So this is my current splash guard on the rear right hand side of my vehicle. Also, I did not have a 7mm bolt on my car. It's more like a T15 size head, at least on the rear. I haven't looked at the front yet, but I've already taken it out. The one I believe is the one that I would have to remove. Now to take off the guard itself, I'm gonna use my trim tool. Trying to do this with one hand. And that is how you remove that part. So let me get my new one and insert that one. So here's the comparison between the two. This is my old one. This is my new one. And I got the clips on it. And just to let you know, there's a different size clip. A little white one that's in the package also that you have to put on. So let me see if I can get the new one on. They're going to screw the screw in the bottom, but just to give you a visual, this is what it looks like now. So let me get the screw in and I'll start working on the front. So this is the front. That's how it currently looks right now. Let me see, when you go to the car wash, sometimes it gets the little tire shine that tries to do, it just misses and gets the side of the vehicle. But I did look underneath this and I did see that this is possibly $7mm in the front. So it's just the back that has that size. I'm gonna look at the directions again. So maybe the direction was saying just only 7mm to the front. But I'm gonna work on popping this loose and show you what it looks like after I'm finished. So I got the bolt loose from the bottom. So let's see if we can pop this trim out. Doing this one hand ain't easy, but made it happen. So let me get my clips, my new trim, and I reattach the new piece. So here's both pieces side by side. This is my old piece. This is my new piece. Got the clips installed. You can see a little lip. That's for the front. It's the place to stick that in first. Show you the other side. See a little lip they got in the front of this. So let's see if we can stick this inside. Start with that little lip first. Then push the rest in. You're supposed to work your way from the bottom up. Tell you one thing, it's definitely a secure fit. Show you what it looks like from this side area, and this is how much it sticks out. From the inside. So that's my right hand side. I just gotta put my left hand side, but that's just to give you an idea of how I put them on. Thanks for watching.